Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. You know what it is. All right, check this out. Shout out to the brother 93 Sports News, man. What the fuck y'all waiting for, man? Subscribe to that brother's channel, man. He always coming with that heat. All right, man, check this out. This is a response video to 93 Sports News. Basically, he put out a great story that Chrisette Michele has lost another deal. Apparently, she has something going on with Netflix, and they basically, damn, even Netflix don't like fucking Donald Trump. Basically, she had some kind of endorsement deal with them or some kind of deal brewing with them, and they basically took it away from her. See what happens when cooning goes wrong? See what happens when you sell your soul? See, she can talk all that bridge and gap shit. Bitch, please, bitch, just shut up. Just stop it, okay? You did it for the motherfucking money, and it's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? Stop with all this, Paul McCartney, Stevie Wonder, Ebony, and no. Nobody's buying that. You ain't trying to unite shit. The only thing you was trying to unite was your pockets. So all I can say to you is spend that $750K wisely, invest it wisely. Don't spend it all in one place, because I'm telling you, you may be done. Because like I said, the few songs that you made that I had in my phone, I took them out. I don't want to have nothing to do with you. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. So I know she's somewhere. I know Chrisette Michele is somewhere thinking to herself, boy, I shouldn't have did that. But I got some advice for you. Fire your agency and fire your manager and whoever convinced you and was talking all that fuck with people. I know somebody said, just go on and do it. Ain't nobody go trip. Stop talking to them. You need to fire everybody that's in your camp that convinced you to take that gig. You know what I'm saying? But story of America, black people can't never be on the same page. But you may have just fucked your career up. So it is what it is. I'm out.